Close your eyes. And you'll just feel like nothing.
Well, I have a microphone.
You close your eyes.
Your microphone. And I have to get my dance clothes on.
You close your walls kept tumbling. The city close your eyes.
We're doing my word around the dance party.
Close your eyes.
This afternoon? This afternoon? Oh my gosh. Why would you do that? I know nothing about horse. Well, I made a little dance stage if someone wants to see how good you're dancing at. Mom, you signed me and Grant up for horse riding this afternoon? So did Dad. Dad is going to. Mom. Mom. Me and Grant and Dad are going, you know where? On a horse.
I'm just teasing.
Oh. But the walls kept tumbling.
It's Spider-Mania! Little Spider-Mania! It's Spider-Mania!
Quick to the dance floor!
Oh, Raven! Oh, Spider-Man!
Quick to the dance floor!
No! Go away! Oh, say an arrow!
An arrow. To the house that we made.
I can't!
To the dance floor.
There's a secret entrance.
There's a secret entrance.
Da!
Hitting the